Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check shared albums on iPhone. So for this, the first step is to you will go in the iPhone settings. So from here you will just scroll down to find you will just on the top you will see the your username and just click to this media and purchases. uh, you will also click to iCloud. So in the iCloud you will see on photos and you will just uh, make sure the shared album is button turn on. So now go in the albums. So here you will see in the albums, you will just go in the albums. So here is the shared albums like WhatsApp and favorites and another. So this is the shared albums on iPhone. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.